Hey guys, it's Shala, Chef, your favorite teen vegan chef, back with another health tip. And this health tip is really exciting because I'm using one of my favorite herbs, fresh basil. And fresh basil can be used for a lot of things to bring out the flavor. And it can be used just for a little quick recipe I'm gonna tell you right here, right now. You can put some fresh basil, some garlic, and some olive oil and use it right there for something. Or you can freeze it into cubes and melt it kind of like a butter or something to mix with some vegetables. You could use it with some Italian recipes. And you can just use it for any savory recipes. You can use it for sweet. And when I say sweet, I mean like infused waters. You can use it for lemonades. It's very high in antioxidants. It's very rich in vitamin A, vitamin K, vitamin B. It's very good for hair growth. And it's really good for anti-aging. So you can keep some good skin. Then when you're using a recipe and it calls for basil, make sure when you're using fresh basil, you double it. And when you're using dry basil, you half it. Because there is a very big difference between fresh basil and dry basil. So thank you guys so much for watching this, and I will see you later. And remember, prevent it with a little health tip, and you'll never have a need for a cure. And I will see you later.